Alright, kung life insurance agent ka, for sure gusto mo rin na punong-puno yung calendar mo, yung buong linggo mo, yung buong araw mo, ng mga meetings for your client. Kasi nga sabi, more meetings, more chances of closing your client. And that's the best day for us as insurance agents here in the Philippines. To be honest, there's still times that wala akong meeting in a day, no? Parang nanghihina ka rin, no? Pag agent ka, kulang yung araw mo if wala kang meeting in a day. No? So typically, you want to have at least two people that you have met or two meetings in a day. Then yung standard to be a very successful insurance agent. You know? I've been there also. No? Until today, I still experience the same kind of rejection. For example, number one, nakapag-set na tayo ng meeting with our client, nag-confirm na tayo the day before, 1 hour before, 2 minutes before the scheduled agreed meeting. What happens? No show naman si client. So, zero tayo doon guys. Zero. So, it still happens. Na-experience ko yan so many times. Kilala ko yan, kaibigan ko yan. Very close to me and maganda naman usapan. No show pa rin. So, we can blame them. It could be out of our control, it could be out of their control, the weather, the traffic, something comes up. So, it's part of the journey. It's part of the sales career. Iba naman, in our profession, we get a lot of ghosting. People, uh, siguro, most likely strangers naman to. Hindi natin masyadong kilala. Siguro na bigyan natin ng flyer in the mall. It's a cold market. Yan, mga dumadaan, we approach them, we hand out a flyer. Or we met them in an event. We had a booth manning. Meron tayong booth doon. We had a sign-up sheet. So, that was the first time na magkakakilala kayo. First time din nila makilala yung company natin. And then eventually, nagkausapan, kaintindihan, no, nagkaroon ng mga karoon ng idea, ano ba yung ginagawa mo, Joseph? Sakto, ito rin gusto kong makuha. No? Pero nagkaring usapan, set the meeting and everything. Usually happens naman. After a while, nakapag-presenta tayo. Sir, ma'am, ito po yung proposal ko sa inyo. Ito yung quotation. Ito yung best plan na bagay sa mga needs ninyo. Yan, ito na, Joseph. Yan, Joseph, sige. Kausapin ko lang yung mister ko, yung misis ko, kasi siya yung magde-decide. Yan. Sige, isend mo muna sa akin yan sa email ko. I want to review all the details of the proposal of the contract and then I'll get back to you. Get back to you in 1 week or 2 weeks. So, yun. Bigla na lang nawala. Bigla na lang nawala. Saan kayo napunta si Mr. or Miss Client? Nag-ghost na tayo after sending the proposal, after spending time, 1 hour, 2 hours in the meeting, no? Nag-meet pa kayo online or kaya face-to-face, no? Pinuntahan mo siya sa office. And then after that, nag-ghost naman tayo. Another scenario, siguro mga kaibigan natin, kakilala natin, nakita yung mga posters natin online, nakita yung mga offerings natin. And then, sige, sige, nag-promise, sige, ako bahala, Joseph. Sige, siyempre, kaibigan naman tayo, kita tayo. Or after a while, you still keep on sending them text messages or messenger chats, no? Talagang nakita mo lang, scene zone na lang, guys. Dati, oh, mabilis mag-reply. Ngayon, wala na. Hanggang scene zone ka lang. Hindi ka na niya binibigyan ng response. So, those things happen. Those things are very common in the daily life ng isang insurance agent. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be always like that. So, it will take some time. For sure ako. Kahit even yung mga super tagal na sa industry natin, super galing na mga ahente, napakadami na mga kilala mga kliyente, and then, they've been trusted, loyal clients na nila, mga repeat clients nila. And you know what? They still experience the same kind of rejections day to day. But today, ang gusto ko naman share sa inyo that we can minimize that. We cannot eliminate that. We can minimize those kind of rejections. From ghosting, scene zone, no response, not interested, into more meetings. So what I try to do here in my own journey on my own profession is that try to learn everything, no? The very basic muna. Nag-start muna talaga ako sa mga basic foundation. The products, attend the trainings, mga seminar, constant consultation with our managers, our agency managers, our unit managers, our company trainings, our company events, attend lang ng attend. So you get to learn how the industry works. Ano ba yung mga ginagawa nila? Ano ba yung dapat kong malaman? And get to know how the process go. Parang, paano ba yung sa service center? Paano ba yung sa email? Yan. I try to learn everything. No, hindi lang on the onset. No, every day you try to learn something new. Second, I ask people in the industry, o paano mo to na-handle? No, paano mo ginagawa yan na hindi ka ma-scene zone? O hindi ka ma-ghosted na talagang once they say meet tayo, they'll they'll be there and the client would be really interested. No? So I also use tools, online tools nowadays, especially. This is something I learned I got from my manager. So shout out, Boss G. Thank you for sharing this. I use online tools like booking calendar. Napakaraming mga booking calendar online. You just have to pick and choose what works best for you. It could be in Google Calendar mo. It could be another app na calendar that goes both ways. It books your on your end and also book your client's end meeting for the meeting details. No, para napaka-convenient both ways. So may mga other systems na para magawa mo na talagang for sure mare-remind yung client mo, no, to be there on the meeting. No? So may mga kanya-kanyang style na yan. How do we firm up the meeting? Pero there's the thing na it's very doable. Nowadays, very doable and I'm just happy to share this na uh, hindi siya naging madali, hindi siya naging very consistent for me. But I try to adjust, optimize my system, and I'm still learning along the way. Na from being ghosted, scene zone, being rejected right off the bat. Now, I'm turning it to meetings naman. No? And nami-minimize na natin yung mga no-show. Minimize na rin natin yung after one meeting, wala na. Meron naman naging successful na one meeting lang talaga online, then naging close deal na, naging client na. So that's something I hope na mangyari rin in your business as an agent. Could be insurance, real estate, or any other profession that requires selling or meeting with a client before closing the deal. Ano. Aside from that, siguro, I'd like to hear from you also. If you're watching this video, share ka rin below na comment. Ano yung ginagamit mong mga tools for you to minimize yung mga rejections and be more successful in having client meetings and closing that deal with your client?